So this is the part now. So of our summer veggies garden seedlings I grow from the seeds. This is a lily plant, really good. So she's ready to be in the ground. I just have to prepare the ground. And I've got this silver bit magenta. Shame, I got only a few seeds in a way, but then only one I got here. But pretty cool. I just give him water here. And the okra, wow, it's been 3 days since I put them here, and oh, there's a rocket growing here. I think it's an emerald okra if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's just said okra or crimson spineless ladyfingers, okra or ladyfingers. I got these seeds from Malabar that I took it from the pot with the Malabar, so you got purple or red, black seeds. So I put in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's all grown really good. And I've got the zinnia, another zinnia here. 2 of them, really nice. So I think the seeds love the size of this pot, not the smaller one and back there, really small. And the seeds like really didn't grow well, but this is good. It is really good size, and so is this. I got still more okra coming out. Look, this probably got this, so they grow more. Probably just 1 packet of okras here. Really love the scorching heat right now. All the summer veggies and fruits. Alright guys. And also got these noodle beans, snake beans, or string beans. Again, there's a lot of them that I put it because I keep a lot of really healthy seeds from my own garden last year. And here the is no holes here, but look, they're thriving. And this is both sun and they don't mind. That's a really summer veggies for you. Really tough. I like them. And so the winter veggies, I love them as well. And it's still spring here, but really scorching hot right now. And our onions, they grow really good, from really tiny seeds to that is 2 months old, I believe. That one I just transferred up from there. Kind of tempting, I don't know why. There's more here. It's our walking onions, something like that, or Egyptian onions I bought from the seeds. And look, there's more. They need a lot of water, especially in this scorching hot, while developing the bulbs. Otherwise leave them alone. Once they get bulbs,